What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. And we're going to the car wash.
Oh yeah, that's my sister. We're not very big YouTubers, but we want to accomplish our dream.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even though we're not grown up,
I know.
we still have a YouTube channel.
I know we might not have a fancy camera or anything, but we don't need that.
Yeah, we have a phone.
I know.
Even though we don't even have an iPhone or an Apple phone.
We don't need that stuff.
We just got a regular phone. At least we have a phone.
Oh yeah, follow me on TikTok.
Yeah, follow Theo on TikTok.
Oh, they can't.
And do not follow
Play with me at Call of Duty at JK.
Yeah,
Could you guys stop talking about the music?
JK Mateo.
No, just JK.
Okay, just say JK. If you want to be friends on Roblox with Theo, it's JK Mateo.
No, it's... Oh yeah.
There is actually a fake block right here. If you press this lever, it reveals it. Now you can't actually.
If you want to be
I don't
friends,
know my name.
if you want to be friends with me on Roblox, it's Wishful.
So our objective is to find it.
And wait, no, it's just Wishful. And wait, was it 8 or 9? Oh yeah, Wishful 9. If you want to be friends with me on Roblox, it's Wishful 9.
And you can play with me at Fortnite at T.O. Bear.
Yeah.
Just add
And then if you want to be friends with Elijah on Roblox, it's Bendy Bear. It's Bendy Bear.
And if you play with me at Fortnite, I could almost carry you to a win. Me and my friends could carry you to a win, probably. Right, Yummy? I'm really
Hold on,
good.
Dale, you're blurry.
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
I don't want to put the lever. I'll just want. Hold on. Yes, they are. Look at me here. Oh my gosh. I'm so confused. What?
I don't know if you guys can see that.
Oh, look. That means the next level, but this wall is destroyed. It's okay. This level still should be good. Alright.
You guys subscribe to Shark Puppet if you haven't seen him. We're on our way to the car wash.
Okay, now we're back on level 1. Oh my god. Oh, level 3. Okay. I got it.
Let's go tacos.
Okay, so that is oh my gosh, is that what it is?
Ah, he died. Unspeakable, don't die.
Subscribe to Unspeakable.
We're at McD.
Look at these.
We're at McD's.
Look.
Hey, what do you want?
Cheeseburger, plain cheeseburger.
Chicken nuggets. A chicken nuggets 10 piece and a big fried meal.
Plain cheeseburger.
These are. Look. So cute.
Can I get the 20-piece nugget? The 20-piece. No. No, just the nuggets.
Zero like.
Will you subscribe to me? Yeah.
Thumbs down for him. Thumbs down.
Large order fries. And 4 large Coke.
Look at
That'll be it.
Look at me. Look at me.
That's like the 14,
I'll subscribe to yours. Wait, what is it? Alex Hills? Okay. Subscribe to Alex Hills.
$5 and
Okay.
cheeseburger, $6.
Alright.
Alex.
Okay, just go. Go what? I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video, okay? That's when we are actually doing the car wash. See ya.